Here are 5 simple nail art designs that are perfect for the fall weather. If you'd like to learn how I did it, stick around. For this first design, you use a black base, and then you need a dotting tool with white, yellow, and orange nail polish. How you want to apply it is in a pyramid style, so you start with 1, then the second row has 2, and then as you go, you get wider and wider, and it turns into candy corn. Make sure it dries first before applying top coat so that it doesn't bleed together. The next one starts with a white base and uses a dotting tool, except the colors you want to use are red, orange, and yellow. Starting with red, I made arches kind of like a rainbow, and then I closed the circle. After I started, I realized I didn't have any brown, so I just used a dark red to represent the bark. Make sure it's fully dry and then add top coat. When you're done, it'll look like a tree with changing leaves. Similar to the last design, we are making a tree except with a blue base. But instead of dots, you use dry brushing. Wipe off most of the paint off of your brush and then apply it randomly on your nail. And then afterwards, you can make the bark with black paint. After the black dried, I did some more dry brushing and then I let it fully dry before adding top coat. This one uses negative space, so I used a sheer pink color, and then I took a brush and dipped it in white nail polish and painted some arches. This ended up being too simplistic for me, so I added some bats with some black paint and a brush. I originally didn't wait long enough before adding top coat, so I had to redo my ghosts later on, so really truly let it fully dry before adding top coat. This last one is supposed to look like a mummy. I don't know if it came out the right way, but it's still kind of cute. You want to start with white dots. I made them kind of big, and honestly I made them look a little sloppy, and then some black dots on top of it. Then I did the dry brush method from the trees, and later on I ended up putting the black dots on again so that you could see it better, and then top coat. And there you go, 5 new nail designs that you can wear this fall. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to check out my channel for more nail art, and I'll see you next time. Bye!